Hey everyone, it's Derrick here with another video, and today we are in my 2019 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and what we're looking at today is the piano black disgustingness of this interior here. As you can see, there's a ton of dust here. I wiped this with a baby wipe, so there's little smears of water droplets here, and one of the things that I really do not like about this interior is this piano black. It scratches easy. It's plastic. It shows a lot of reflections, as you can see here. And one of my huge things that I wanted to change about this is putting some sort of matte finish on it. So looking at the interior here, this works pretty well. Now, this was a very cheap item on Amazon, so it was around, I believe, $10 or $15. So we're going to test this out and see how this does. The main thing that I'm trying to get rid of here is the reflection, because when the sun hits it, it reflects back into my eyes. Sucks, can't see, can't drive, that sort of thing. So let's get started in doing this. I have a kit here that essentially is supposed to be cleaning this, then wiping it or getting all the dust off, and then finally putting on these 3 pieces, or possibly, well, it's more like 4 or 5 pieces, but putting those on and then squeegeeing it to get rid of the bubbles. And with this kit, they actually give you 2 sets of those, so if you screw up, I guess you can get another chance to do that. So yeah, so this one's step 1, you wipe off the dirt, and then the step 2 is to dry it, and then there's these little microfiber towels, as well as it looks like a blade here so that you can cut some of the paper if you have excess. I do think it looks a lot more premium than the piano black, even with this cheap vinyl that is here. Yeah, let me know how it looks. I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, obviously, depending on how well you wrap things, or how not well you wrap things, it could look really good or it could look really terrible. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.